And I'm out here picking up some parts, man. Notice this little thing right here. I'm gonna ask him what to do with that, cause with the car market, man, that whole kind of nice. I didn't see myself in a Beamer anytime soon, cause you know what I love. Yes, sir. Getting it. Man, out here doing the damn thing, you know. But yeah, got the parts we need. Not even sure what year this is, but you know, it's a Ford, so that means something. Just a doohickey right here. I'm hoping we can just, yeah, this is where it broke on the other one, so let's get after it. Broke a tool, Harbor Freight quality. We got it. We can get the fuck on out of here. Alright, just wrapped up. Time to start her up and see what's going on. And here loves that monster. So far, so good. Alright. Thermostat is installed. Would you look at this? Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Yep, now we get to go home and spend some money. Damn, nigga, that bitch gleaming. Sheesh.